65 miles, well 70 miles to a hotel. Right now it's about 7:46. The sun's already set behind us. We're going east. So we got 1 more hour to go. We should get there right before 9 o'clock and then get ready, we'll sleep, and then tomorrow we'll go explore Grand Canyon. So I'm gonna head out to get breakfast. It's 6:30 right now, so. Oh man, we have about 23 miles to get to, I guess, about 30.
South Rim.
Yeah, to get to the South Rim of Grand Canyon National Park. I'm pretty excited. This is the first time I will be seeing the Grand Canyon in person. Oh yeah, these are the two. Let's go. Okay, turn here.
It goes to Cappy Rim.
Matthew Point, Kaiba Rim Route.
Waiting someone.
Okay.
Are you going to the Yaki Point?
Yaki Point. That bus.
The bus? Okay, thank you.
Rim, that's 1,000 feet higher over there, and it's about 10 miles across from here.
We just took a shuttle from the visitor center and stopped here at the South Kaiba Trailhead. Yeah, that's fine. We'll take our time. Whew. That's the Ua Point right there. Beautiful. Has a very nice view of the Grand Canyon.
The furthest you want to go.
Oh, okay.
I guess this is it. I have a question.
Ua Point.
How hard is it to walk to the skeleton pond?
As far as difficulty, if you got an earlier start, it would be doable. But right now, I mean, you can look out there. It's already been in the sun most of the day. It's going to be in the sun the rest of today. So it's really going to be just be out there safely.
Wow. Look okay.
Oh, up. See the wave now.
Huh? See the ridge? It's down there. Probably down there. Careful.
Oh, right there.
Wow. going back up. It's, you know, we're ascending. Up there, that's where we're going. Up there at the ridge. Now the sun is coming up. Earlier, this part was pretty shady, and now the sun, it's hitting this area of the trail. We're going up here, up to the top of the edge there. All right,
Ôi, có trộn cây mỏ
Grand Canyon. We just came down there. See the trail down there, the switchback trail down there? We just came up from there. We went down, they came up. We went to the point, they call it ooh ah, like point. And then now we just got back up on the rim. We're gonna explore some more. Earlier this morning when we were hiking that trail down there, kind of like switchback trail way over there, a little cut through that side of the wall there. That's the trail this morning that we hiked. Stray away from the more popular area where there's a lot of people, and this is what we get, the view, Ayaki Point. Nice. And I think the tower, the watchtower, is that way. I planned to go over there, but there's no shuttle taking us over there. I will have to drive there a little bit later, which that's the plan for my wife and I. But hey, here it's a nice view of the Grand Canyon. Just over there.
Change your plan.
Change our plan. So
We're gonna go to the lookout over there.
yeah.
Okay.
We-
Why'd you change the plan?
Oh, because we were gonna go to the second tunnel. We were like, oh, it's too hot and we didn't want to run out of water, so we better head it back.
Okay.
This lady looks like she's out.
What? Which one?
That lady sitting down. Okay, so we're walking on this rim trail. This trail, it's paved around the rim of the canyon. So you can actually hike all the way from the visitor center to the Hermit's Rest. That's the trail. That's the Bright Angels Trail. Now it's very breezy, which is perfect for hiking. This morning was very, very hot. Now it's cloudy, but then it has a very nice breeze now. Shotgun. It's awesome. The view is so spectacular. If you haven't visited Grand Canyon, oh man, you gotta come. You're gonna come and visit. This is one of the most beautiful places I've visited so far. Mostly the whole day exploring the south rim of the Grand Canyon National Park. We took the shuttle to make it easier for us. We took the shuttle to all the points. And each of those points have very nice view of the Grand Canyon Valley. We also hiked on the Kaiba trail head down about a good 2 miles, and then we came back up, and then we went down to the Bright Angels Trail. We hiked there down into the valley for about maybe a mile and a half, which is too hot because it was late in the day. So after that, we also hiked from Bright Angels Point to Powell Point, and then we got too tired of walking, and then we took the shuttle all the way to Hermit's Rest. If we have the energy, we might hike down, but it was late in the day too, and so we decided to get back on the shuttle and came back to the car. Now we're heading over to Desert View, which is eastern part of the Grand Canyon. 25 miles to get to Desert View. Heading there, we're about 5 minutes into our drive towards Desert View, so we'll be there. Along this road, there are areas where you could stop and overlook. Oh, right here. Come here. So we're right here. We go this way, and then it's not too far. There's a viewpoint, and then we could just go take a few photos and come back this way to the car.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Desert View Watchtower. It's right behind me, as you can see. Yeah, you could actually climb up to the tower, look into the canyon, in a bit. But here is the view. Ready to go up the tower? Looks like it's a climb up there. Looks cool. Now we're gonna head back. Right now it's 6 o'clock. We're gonna go stop by Tusayan to get some drinks, maybe energy drink, and gonna head back to a hotel. I think we had a pretty good hike today.
Oh yeah.
Woo. You guys should come and hike. I definitely. Friday, day 3 of our vacation, and we are heading back towards Las Vegas. We're gonna go stop by Hoover Dam, check out the dam, and maybe explore there a little bit, and then after that we're gonna head back over to Vegas. Maybe we're gonna go past Vegas to Red Rock Canyon and explore over there, so stay tuned. We're heading back towards Vegas. This is the I-40 going west towards Las Vegas. view of the Hoover Dam. It's kind of like the center of the point. Maybe not the center, but you have a pretty good view of the bridge overlooking the Hoover Dam. And then this is the other side of the Hoover Dam. It's really hot. It's really sunny. Right now it's probably about like 100 degrees. I'm sweating just standing out here. I'm an easily sweat person. I sweat easily, so having my bandana on really helps me keep the sweat off my face.
Goldo is the best bet.
Yeah, you think so?
Yep. Umbrella.
It's not much to see besides walking on the dam and
You want to
looking
go
down
in
the
the
dam.
bed?
No, I think it's gonna be really hot out there too.
Okay, that's fine.
I didn't realize that echoed like that.
It's the Hoover Dam. We came back from the second post over there, and then back down this way. It was just too hot. So to get into this place, you gotta have to. Over there, that's the lake. That's the other side is the lake. It's the bridge. It's really hot. The temperature on the dash screen says 118 degrees Fahrenheit on the outside. That I don't know if it's actually 118 or it might be somewhere around 110 degrees, but I don't know about 118. It does feel like it though. Wow, Red Rock Canyon. Man, it's just too hot. I wanted to hike, but hopefully. Once we get up to the high elevation, we'll stop and just take pictures. Maybe some other time